In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your age on your Google account, specifically how to update your Google birthday. This process is quick and easy. It only takes a few minutes. Whether you accidentally entered the wrong date when creating your account or just need to make an update, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and log in to your Google account. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This ensures your changes apply to the right profile. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or account icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your main account settings page, your central hub for everything related to privacy, security, and personal information. On the left-hand side, click the tab labeled Personal Info. This section contains your key account details, including your name, email address, and most importantly for this tutorial, your birthday. Under the Basic Info section, locate the option labeled Birthday. Click on it to view your current birthday details. Next, click directly on your birth date to enable editing. Now, you can enter your correct birth date. Make sure to double check the accuracy of this information. Your date of birth can affect certain Google features and account settings. Once you've entered your updated birth date, click Save. Wait a moment for the changes to process. You should see a confirmation message letting you know your birthday has been successfully updated. And that's it. You've just learned how to change your age on your Google account by updating your birth date. Google's settings are designed to make account management simple and intuitive. So now your information should be accurate and up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more quick and easy tech tips.